Are you ready to bring your 3D fabric creations to life? Introducing the 170 plus fabric fold brushes bundle for ZBrush and Blender, the ultimate toolkit for creating stunning, realistic cloth details in seconds. We all know that sculpting realistic fabric folds from scratch can be time-consuming and frustrating. Every crease, every wrinkle, every subtle fold takes precious hours of manual work, and sometimes the results still feel flat and lifeless. That's why we created the Fabric Fold Brushes Bundle, a professionally crafted collection of over 170 brushes and alphas, designed to give your fabrics natural depth, flow, and realism instantly. Inside this bundle, you'll find a wide variety of folds, wrinkles, and creases, from subtle clothing drapes to deep, dramatic fabric textures. Over 170 unique brushes for ZBrush and Blender sculpt mode, higher resolution 16-bit alphas in PNG and PSD formats, fully seamless and ready to use, custom icons and large previews for every brush. Whether you're sculpting clothes, curtains, furniture, bags, or any fabric surface, this bundle gives you the exact folds you need, right when you need them. With these brushes, you can add realistic folds in seconds, no more repetitive manual sculpting. Simply choose your brush, drag it onto your model, and watch your fabric come to life. Save hours of work, focus on the creative part, and deliver results that look like they belong in a AAA game or a high-end film production. Whether you're a game artist, a 3D clothing designer, or a visual effects professional, this pack will transform the way you work with fabric. Don't waste another minute struggling with folds. Upgrade your workflow today with the 170 plus fabric fold brushes bundle for ZBrush and Blender. Available now. Download instantly and start creating stunning fabric details right away.